Assalamu alaikum and welcome back everybody to Learn to Read Qur'an. So in today's lesson we're going to build on what we learnt last time where we learnt the Fatha, one of the vowels, this short ah noise that we saw written above each of the letters of the alphabet. And we're going to look at this page here where we're looking at the exercise to practice that knowledge of the ah noise. So here you can see you've got examples of words from the Qur'an, and above each of them is this diagonal line of the fatha, which we now know is an ah noise that's put to the beginning sound of each letter. So I'm just going to go through this slowly and read this so that you can hopefully practice along with me, and then afterwards keep on practicing so that it really has become firm in your knowledge. So here we go. Bismillah. Let's start. Wa, ja, da. And like I've said before, all of these are actually words that you will see written in the Qur'an. So you are reading Qur'an even right from the beginning. It's not just, made up words. These are actually words from the Qur'an. Qa. So you can hear that thickness, the heaviness that's come onto the ah noise, that's come with the letter qaf. Ta, la, fa, a, la, ra. And remember that ra was thick and heavy, so you can hear that thickness on the fatha. Ja, a. Here we go on line 2. Na, va, ra. So you can see these early lines here. I have written the letters slightly separately, but obviously you could join it up if you wanted to. Just think to yourself, well, how would that look joined up? That's basically how it would look joined up. So you've got na, va, ra. And then you've got ra, fa, ra, wa, a, da, ma, a. So we're moving on to line 3. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you. Sa, da, qa, da, ra, ba, a. You can hear the sharpness of the hamza. Remember, it's the hamza that we are pronouncing. Ma, ra, da, kha, la. Let's move on. A, ba, sa, va, ka, ra, a, kha, va, qa, ma, ra. And now we're on line 5. Ba, la, ra, sha, ra, ha, ha, sa, da, va, la, ma, kha, ra, ja, ta, ra, ka, ma, sa, la, ha, ma, la. Then here we go on line 7. And you can see these from line 7 and then on line 8 when we get there, they're now joined up. And I just, the first earlier lines are separate so that you can see each letter very, very clearly to help your identification of the letters. But obviously in Qur'an, everything is written as it should be without gaps in between. So here we go on line 7. We've got ja, ma, a. So that meme can sometimes be hard to spot. So just have a closer look at this word. Let me just take off my marking so you can see it clearly. Have a closer look at this word so you can see how the meme appears. Yeah, there. Then I'll move on. I, da, da, ba, I, fa, na, ba, the, o, to, ra. So each of those three letters here were thick and heavy, so that their fatha noise changed to an ah noise, to an o noise, because of the thickness at the back of the tongue while you're pronouncing those letters. So I'll move on. Sa, la, fa, ha, do, ra, ma, na, I. So you can see that's page 14 on the booklet. Hopefully you've got the booklet printed out from the website. Yeah, so keep on going over it until you feel sure that you've got this page really sorted, really understood. And inshallah, I'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.